Hi friends, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show off my new planner and some artwork I did this week. Then I'll show you some heckin' cute Etsy discoveries that might inspire you and cleanse your sins, or something. Because I'm a PhD student, a tutor, a Twitch streamer, and a YouTuber, I often have a hard time with keeping my tasks straight. And I've always struggled with finding a system for productivity that works for my needs. I've bought so many apps and planners over the years. Today I'm showing off my new planner. It's called the Hero's Journal. The bookmark is a habit tracker, like how cool is that? Also, the pages are undated, so I hope I don't feel ashamed or judged if I miss a day, which we all do. Also, the illustrations can be used as coloring pages, which I may take advantage of soon with my underused colored pencils. Basically, in the Hero's Journal, you think of a goal you have and call it a quest. You remind yourself of your long-term quest daily. And then you can write down 3 tasks to get yourself closer to achieving your quest every day. My quest is finishing my grimoire, which is my fantasy way of referring to my dissertation. I'm definitely throwing in some Dragon Age Origins vibes. I like this journal because I need to see the big picture on a regular basis and I want my dissertation to seem fun. During COVID, I felt abandoned by my dissertation committee and I'm still feeling disconnected from academia altogether. But my gaming friends and my art friends remain. So it's hard to feel warmth toward academic work sometimes, but I hope this journal will help. Off to the side here, you can see a gouache painting of an owl I did this week. I bought a light blue watercolor pen recently, so I used that to draw the sketch underneath. I hate when graphite muddies my paint or smudges on the paper. I love how this gouache piece turned out, so I used Procreate to experiment with the colors and composition. I decided to share some of my Etsy discoveries here because there are so many artists on that platform and I particularly loved sculptures and fantasy creatures I see on Etsy. Links to all of these pieces are in the description below. I don't get a commission for any sales, so I'm genuinely just telling you about cute things I found and want to show off. Our first piece is from Na Fantano Crafts. The artist calls this a, quote, Caucasian Koala, end quote. It's $390 on Etsy and is made out of eco fur, glass eyes, acrylic paint, and a copper skeleton. The artist says this is not a toy and is instead a piece of artwork. The koala is handmade and seems to be inspired by Stitch from the film and TV series Lilo and Stitch. How can you resist this cuteness? And check out the detail in those paws. This sweet forest spirit is from Planet Manuria and is $92. The artist says that the forest spirit's name is Crax and he is the patron of deer. This sculpture is made of fine wool on a posable wire frame using needle felting. Crax is also covered in faux fur. The eyes are glass and the antlers are made of polymer clay. The shield and magic staff are wooden. I'm drawn to big eyes, antlers, and elves, so it's no surprise I love this piece. This polymer sculpture from Ryoki Studio is a cute hyacinth bulb creature. I just love its boobable nose and blushing cheeks. It's painted with acrylic and dry pastel, and you can snag one for only $25. Unlike the other pieces I've shown, this one is a sculpture and this Aries piece is made of faux fur, synthetic fibers, a ball-jointed doll skeleton, polyurethane, acrylic paints, varnish, and glass. You can get one for $89 on Etsy from the shop Gift of Mercury. This piece is gorgeous, and I love that it can be handled and played with. But if you'd rather display it, that's fine too. The stars are beautiful, and I love the expressive face and ears on this sheep babe. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, let me know in the comments. And if you haven't introduced yourself to me in the comments, tell me about yourself. I'm always curious who's watching and would love to chat with you in the comments section below. Thanks for watching!